I want that box.
So tell me what you've got.
So we got the volume 2 cards, and we're gonna go to a safe corner so it's not so busy. So we're gonna open this pack first. I can't really open it. Can you help me? So my dad is going to help me open this pack because it's a little hard to open. I got the pack open, now I'm going to open it. So I got Espeon, Pokeball, and an art rare Eevee. Here's the cards. Now we're going to open another pack. And this one, it opens smoothly. So we got Flareon, and we got Pokeball Flareon, and we got this card, and we got Umbreon Master Ball. Yay!